Apple's iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini, whichever version you have, the glass on that device feels amazing. When you pick it up and you touch it and you put your fingers all over it, it feels good. It feels like you're touching glass. It feels like you are holding a solid device, an extension of that solidity. Is that a word? Solidity? I don't know. But in order to maintain that good glass feeling, we have to put more glass on top of it. Now, usually I do screen install videos from Whitestone Dome. Now, I have done the traditional Whitestone Dome thingy install rig, then the eJig rig, and now we have something brand new. We have today Easy Glass. Easy Glass. Easy Glass. All good screen protector installs, the first thing you want to do is, of course, clean your screen. Second thing I like to do is turn off my phone. That is right, I don't like to have my phone on during install because when you touch it and you do things, it triggers all sorts of activity, which could be troublesome if you end up texting some weird stuff to somebody you haven't talked to in several days, weeks, months, years. So just turn off your phone. So let's get into this little guy. It is Whitestone Dome, feels great. It has been one of my most enjoyable screen protectors I have ever used. They support creators, which I'm a big fan of. It looks like there's a whole kit inside, if you will. I'm seeing this for the first time, just as you are. So 2 screen protectors included in one package. Why do they do that? They do that, well, in case you mess up or in case you break your screen protector, you already have a backup right here. Let's go ahead and just take a quick little gander at the install steps.
A few moments later.
First things first, to go ahead and clean your screen, and then you go ahead and take your terry cloth and you wipe the screen nice and good. And when you feel good about it, you come over here and you take your dust sticker and to suck up dust. I feel good about it. Then you take your jig and you place it ever so slightly, Whitestone Dome on the bottom. Pro tip. You'll thank me later. Then you come over here to your glass, which we have ready and waiting and hanging out, and we're going to peel the back of it off, which means this is our adhesive. Now, if all goes according to plan, we just drop this thing on there and make like a little cross sign. And we pray for the best. That was the most flawless adhesive install I've ever seen. I mean, there's no bubbles anywhere. Like, that adhesive was just phenomenal. Whitestone Dome, you really made this an easy install. Now, I know Whitestone Dome, you guys get a little bit of anxiety, and I know, I understand. I do too, but this is the Easy Glass. Pay attention, class. Link in the description. Guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, show me the ultimate creator compliment, and share my content with your friends and family on social media. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.